Visit our website for best kitchen products and tools.
The Chefing Up, the good chef who cook in reverse to correct the problem. We're all about helping you cook up some delicious meals while staying healthy and happy in the kitchen. If you're someone who's new to cooking or looking to sharpen your skills, you've come to the right place. We'll be your trusty guides, showing you how to use the right tools and techniques to get the most out of your food. Turmeric salad, a healthy and flavorful delight. Introduction. Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting recipe to share with you that incorporates the incredible spice known as turmeric. Turmeric is not only known for its vibrant color and distinct flavor, but also for its numerous health benefits. So, let's dive into the world of turmeric and discover how to prepare a delicious turmeric salad that's both nutritious and tasty. We like to call ourselves the good chef that cooks in reverse to correct the problem. We'll also showcase some of our favorite kitchen tools and gadgets.
Visit our website for best kitchen products and tools.
These can help make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Segment 1. The health benefits of turmeric. Before we get started with the recipe, let's talk about the fantastic health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is responsible for many of its medicinal properties. Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that can help promote overall well-being. Studies suggest that turmeric may aid in reducing inflammation, improving brain function, supporting heart health, and even potentially preventing certain types of cancer. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is a fantastic way to harness these benefits. Segment 2. Turmeric salad recipe. Now that we know about the incredible benefits of turmeric, let's move on to preparing our delightful turmeric salad. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups mixed salad greens, spinach, arugula, or lettuce. 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved. 1 cucumber sliced. 1 avocado diced. 1/4 red onion thinly sliced. 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro leaves. For the turmeric dressing, you'll need 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon honey, optional, salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's move on to the preparation steps. In a large salad bowl, combine the mixed salad greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, diced avocado, red onion slices, and fresh cilantro leaves. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, turmeric powder, honey, if desired, salt, and pepper until well combined. This will be our delicious turmeric dressing. Drizzle the turmeric dressing over the salad ingredients in the large salad bowl. Gently toss the salad, ensuring all the ingredients are evenly coated with the dressing. Serve the turmeric salad immediately and enjoy its vibrant flavors and healthful benefits. Segment 3. Closing. And there you have it. A vibrant and nutritious turmeric salad packed with flavors and health benefits. Remember, turmeric is a fantastic addition to your culinary repertoire, and this salad is just one of many ways you can incorporate it into your meals. Stay tuned for more exciting and healthy recipes. Until next time, happy cooking! Conclusion. Feel free to adjust the recipe to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Turmeric adds a wonderful earthy flavor and a beautiful golden hue to any dish, making it a versatile spice to experiment with. Enjoy the vibrant goodness of turmeric in your salad and savor its healthful properties.
Visit our website for best kitchen products and tools.